Hello, I wanted to take some time to review items that need to be attended to in this first unit. First of all, please schedule a phone call with your course faculty to discuss your project, the IRB review process, and any other issues that may have come up for you. This is the first of 3 required phone calls that will take place during this course. Second, please review the IRB information posted in Beacon Learning, including the video created by Dr. Doyle Schrader, who is an IRB committee member. Following, complete and submit the Does My Project Require IRB Review form through Turnitin. If your project includes work with human subjects, you will need to go through the IRB review process. For example, the IRB review is required if you plan to interview or survey nurses or solicit staff, nurse, or patient feedback or input in any way. Good rule of thumb, if you plan to use human subjects in any way throughout the course of your project, please contact your course faculty immediately to discuss. Going through the IRB review process is not impossible, nor is it discouraged. I just want you to be aware that it can be a lengthy process that takes time and patience and requires close collaboration with your faculty. Protection of human subjects is a nurse's ethical responsibility and duty, as you have learned throughout several of your courses here at NCU, and we want to make sure in this course that we are protecting any human subjects that we are using. Third point to consider: if you've not submitted your paperwork required for capstone, such as proof of immunizations, background check, etc., please do so immediately. Our clinical partners have required that NCU attest to the fact that students going to their organizations or agencies for capstone be cleared in terms of proving that they have completed CPR, that their immunizations are up to date, that their background, etc., is cleared. So I have to send a form to the agencies that say that, yes, indeed, I've seen these documents, everything is up to snuff, and students are cleared to be in capstone within the agency. All of this is necessary so that our clinical partners can comply with federal law. Which is, of course, we don't want to put them at risk for. In addition, making sure that immunization, CPR, etc., are up to date protects the patients, it protects the workers in the hospital, it protects you as students and the university as well. So while I know it's time consuming, please, please, please make sure that you get that paperwork to me and I get you marked off and cleared to be in the clinical setting. You may not do any work within the organization until you've been cleared. So it's important that you get documents to me right away if you haven't. In the days ahead, I would encourage you to set up a time to meet with your project liaison. Take a look at that first population project partner paper that's due. Begin gathering information for that paper. Some of that information you'll get from your project liaison. Take a look at the project agreement form. This is a form that needs to be filled out in collaboration with your project liaison and signed by your project liaison. So there's some upfront work you can do before these assignments are due for your course faculty. If your schedule allows, we encourage you to attend the Big Blue Button live chat session. This is a great way to connect with faculty and other students in the course and to ask questions or address any concerns that may come up. As you can see, the first 2 weeks of this course center on meeting legal and ethical standards related to working with people and within organizations and community agencies. In addition, you are setting the stage for moving your project forward and the work that's ahead of you. So that's all I have for now. Please stay in touch with your course faculty and don't hesitate to seek assistance or clarification as needed and get your paperwork to me. Thank you.